Hi, I'm happy to welcome you at STT Group's official channel again. My name is Dmitry Surkov. I'm an information security specialist at STT Group. Today I want to show you the peculiarities of using an interesting product developed by STT Group's engineers, more specifically a nonlinear junction detector, or so-called NR-900S sound. We have already briefly discussed its technical parameters and origin in previous videos, but still I remind you that its development was necessitated by stepped-up bomb attacks in one of the Asian countries, involving the activation of bombs mounted on motorcycles using cell phones or other clock delayers. And today I will demonstrate how to use the product to quickly find a tracking device mounted on a motorcycle. Now let's put a mock imitating a detonation device or a tracking device in a motorcycle's pannier, to find out how long it takes for our device to find it. To proceed to the search, we must turn on our device, set it to maximum sensitivity and begin to examine the motorcycle. As we can hear, there is a characteristic sound evidencing the presence of electronics. However, since the motorcycle has its own electronic devices, we need to find the maximum signal level. In this case, we can see that there is some kind of electronic device here, as the audio signal becomes louder and the indication increases. Now let's explore what kind of electronic device it is. And now, to determine if there is an operating device inside, we will switch over to the listening mode. If there is an operating device, we will hear a characteristic background sound. To make sure that we have found exactly our device, let's open the pannier and the job is done. Here's our device. We hear that the sound is not changing, which means that we have identified our operating device exactly. And now let's talk more specifically about the product's delivery package and controls. The product comes in a shockproof case. The product includes the locator itself. 4 batteries, 2 are used to power the device and 2 are standby batteries. The kit also includes headphones for the operator. The device also comes with a battery charger powered from a 220-volt outlet, as well as a power supply unit powered from a car cigarette lighter. The kit also includes a simulator to check whether the device is operable. The NR-900S is activated in a matter of minutes. To do this, pull out the battery container located in the handle of the device. Insert the batteries into it. And then we insert the container back into the handle of the device. There is a red indicator showing how to insert it. The headphones are connected to a special socket. That's it. Now our device is ready for use. The only thing you have to do is to press the power button. Now let's have a look at the control panel. The first button, ATT, or attenuator, helps us adjust the receiving channel. The 2-3 button allows choosing the operating harmonic. Please bear in mind that the second harmonic shows the presence of electronics, while the third one detects the presence of any corrosive and metal compounds. The next button activates the listening mode. Currently we are using the indication mode of the nonlinear locator, but pressing the button activates the listening mode I used to localize the simulative detonation device. The P or power button allows adjusting the radiation power. The left and right arrows are used to adjust the reception level in the listening mode. There is a scale at the top that displays the visible value of the signal reception, relating to the second and third harmonics. The second harmonic is red, the third harmonic is green. Of course, the main purpose of the NR-900S sound is to find activated detonation systems receiving triggering signals over the air, but as we can see, it perfectly handles other tasks as well. Please leave your comments regarding what you have seen today below, ask questions and we will try to cover them in the following videos. Subscribe to the channel, leave likes and don't miss lots of interesting specialties protecting voice information from leakage over technical channels. And remember, want to learn more about how to protect your information? Contact us. STT Group's specialists are always ready to help and find solutions to your problem. See you next time.